Okay.
Man, this thing is fantastic.
Oh!
Oh my goodness, it's
A
Sharky!
Sharky! Wait, there's a little knob here.
Wow!
Oh! It's a biting shark! Oh, teeth. Shark wants to sharpen his teeth. Don't use your finger, use the sharpener.
Sharpen your teeth before dinner, Sharky.
Now what's for dinner?
You got me.
This is awesome. This is really cool. I never had one of these before.
Maybe later when you get a little smaller thing, you can pick something up. Oh, like this.
Hey, yeah, let's do that.
How about try to pick him up with his teeth?
Yeah.
my goodness.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom.
He's a hungry shark, ain't
man, this guy's cool.